So now let's see how we can add an outline to an image using Pixlr E. So to do that, I'm going to go around into filter, and over here you can see outline is an option. So I'm going to click on outline, and you can see that as I apply this, you can see that there's an outline right here. I can increase the size right here just like this, and increase and decrease the opacity of the outline as well. And similarly, I can choose a color that I want. So I'm going to choose white and press OK, and you can see that there's a white outline. If I were to click on outline only, then this is how it works. I'm going to go around and then disable the outline only feature because I want the image as well, and then press apply. I can also apply in double outline by going into filter and by going into outline right here and by increasing the size. I can go around over here and choose the color that I want, press OK, and this is what I have. And now I'm going to press apply again. If I want to add in another outline again, I can go around into adjustment again, not adjustment but filter, and then go to outline and increase the size, and this is what I have. So I can press apply, and now this is what you have, as you can see. So that is how you can work around with outline feature inside of Pixlr E. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.